raising your feet from the floor. Perform a bicycle pedal motion, bringing one knee up towards your armpit as you strengthen the other leg while keeping both higher than your hips. Rotate your torso to touch your elbow to the opposite knee as it comes up. Twist to the other side while drawing that knee towards your armpit and the other leg extended until your elbow touches the alternate knee. Number 5. Vertical leg crunch. I like this variation because it works both my upper and lower body, making it a good total body workout exercise. Holding the legs in the air activates both my upper and lower abs more than a regular crunch does. Start with a sit-up position and lift your legs until they form a straight line perpendicular to the floor. Place your hands behind your head, contract your abs to engage your core, and raise your shoulder blades off the floor. Slowly lower yourself back to the starting position before repeating the exercise. Another crunch variation you should include in your abs workout routine is the number 6 seated knee tuck. This exercise is excellent for training the upper and lower abdominals and improving core strength. It also challenges my balance. I perform it often on the floor, but on some days I do it on the bench for added challenge. Start by sitting on the ground with your legs extended out. Place your hands on the ground beside you for support and lean back at a roughly 45-degree angle with your back straight. Contract your abs as you bend your legs and bring your knees toward your chest.